chicken stuffed chilies. Hi guys, this is Chef Siddharth and I welcome you to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Today I am going to teach you how to prepare chili stuffed chicken. So for that we'll require chicken mince, olive oil, large green chilies, slit and seeded, finely chopped onion, fresh thyme, chopped garlic, chili flakes, crushed black pepper, salt. So to start with, here I have some chicken mince. Now into this goes some salt, crushed black pepper, some chili flakes for spicy flavor, some finely chopped onion, some chopped garlic. Let's add in some fresh thyme leaves. This is the stuffing that we are going to add into this chilies. Now let's give it a mix. Now after mixing this properly, keep this aside. And here I have some green chilies with me. Now I'll show you how to slit it. Make a slit like this and using your knife, just scrape the seeds. Now remove the seeds. This will ensure that the chilies are not spicy. Now let's marinate the chilies too. First prick it using a fork. Now into this mixing bowl goes some olive oil. Now in goes some chopped garlic, some salt, some crushed black pepper, give it a nice mix and apply this to the slit green chilies. Now it's time for stuffing. Let's stuff this properly. In this manner, we'll stuff this green chilies. Now our chilies are stuffed. Now time for a twist. We'll bake it instead of frying or pan searing it. This will give out nice flavor, nice smoky flavor to this chilies. Very less of oil. This way we'll place this chilies and I have already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll bake it for around 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 12 minutes. Let's check on the chilies. This is smelling amazing. So let's plate this. So here it is, our chicken stuffed chilies are ready. Perfect recipe to impress your guest.